When voters visit their legislators about an issue that is important to them, that's lobbying. When parents speak at a school board meeting about a policy affecting the community, that's lobbying. When an organization addresses a government agency about proposed regulations or laws, that is also lobbying. While most people think of lobbyists only as paid professionals, there are many independent, volunteer lobbyists, all of whom are protected by the same rights of free speech guaranteed by the Constitution. The American League of Lobbyists is the nation's premier and largest organization established to enhance the professionalism for advocates in the public policy arena. On behalf of all Americans who have a stake in their government, the League addresses challenges that affect the rights of individuals and groups to make their views known about issues that affect our country. It provides a voice for lobbyists and works to ensure that those who engage in lobbying follow established ethics and rules.
Our mission is to enhance the development, professionalism, and high ethical standards for the advocates in the public policy arena. We also collectively address any challenges to the First Amendment right to petition the government for redress of grievances.
The members of the American League of Lobbyists voluntarily comply with its code of ethics.
The Code of Ethics is important because we recognize the critical need for ethical behavior in public life. It establishes that high standard that the Founding Fathers envisioned when they provided all Americans with the right to petition their government.
Lobbyists give everyone a voice in the legislative process, which is essential for good economic policy. From grassroots organizers to professional policy influencers, lobbyists perform a vital service not only to clients, but also to the public at large. Lobbying is an essential part of our political process. It gives people a voice and helps average Americans navigate the complex waters of the legislative and regulatory process.